Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Grated. I'm back with a breakfast or dinner recipe, Appam, showing you how I prepare my batter and how you can make perfect appams without yeast or cooking soda. Let's get started. I'm taking around 2 cups of raw rice and 1 tablespoon Ural Dal. Wash them thoroughly and soak for 4 hours. After 4 hours, drain the water and transfer it into a mixer. I'm going to grind it with coconut water instead of normal water. Grind it into very smooth batter. Transfer it into a container. Now let's grind 1 cup of freshly grated coconut along with little cooked rice, around 2 tablespoons. Add this along with the previously grinded rice batter and combine it well. Cover and rest for 6 hours or overnight for fermentation. After 6 hours, the batter has raised and fermented well. It's ready for us to start making our appam. Take a small or required quantity of batter into another bowl. Add required salt. No need to add cooking soda or yeast. But while grinding, if you are using normal water, add 1/4 teaspoon of cooking soda. This is the consistency of your batter. It should be a little thinner than dosa batter. Add water only if it's required. Let's start preparing the appams. I'm making it using my appam kadai. Heat kadai. Once hot, grease it with gingerly oil. Cover and cook the appams on medium flame for a minute. Take it off once it's well cooked. Make sure the pan is hot but not too hot, otherwise you will not be able to swirl the batter. For beginners, you can just rotate the upper kadai and make appams if you are not comfortable with the other method. Our perfect healthy appams are ready. Have it with any gravy of your choice. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon to get notifications once a new video is uploaded. Thanks for watching.